Morning. What you want, baby? Oh, well, good morning. Try harder. I don't know what meow means. Yeah? Oh. Meow. Well, at least you're not pulling on my leg. That's just my pants. Am I supposed to drag you with me over here? Go on, get off of me. You do that on purpose sometimes. You know how to get your nails out. You just sharpen them on my leg. Huh. Oh, come on. There you go. You gotta pull them up and then out. Not just straight down and scrape. Oh, you're gonna scrape me because I don't listen? Is that what you said? You naughty little girl. God. Oh, you don't have any food to eat. I still got the top on. Well, that's because you let all your buddies come and eat your food. That's your fault. Good girl. Hey, she's not complaining about snacks. You must be hungry. Uh-oh, I said that word, huh? Snacks. Snack, 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 snack. That's my fault. I'm spoiling you, I know. Come on, I'll give you a snack. Where are they at? What? What do you mean? Wow. Oh, wow. Wow. I don't have them in my hand yet. I have to get them. I have to get them. What? Yeah, I don't know if these are the best snacks, but man, she loves them. What? Oh, I thought you loved me. It must be the snack. I thought you loved me, not the snack. Ow! No, you come over here. What? What? Man, I remember back in the day you used to make all kinds of noise. I've been making it too easy for you, huh? I'll give you a snack. There, now eat some of your regular food, too. I love y'all. This has been Emma TV. Bye for now. Oh, and remember to love one another and lift one another up. Bye for now.